I was gonna put Aaron on the lift and just take the blades off to sharpen them, but I think I'm actually gonna take off the whole mulch kit because the grass is growing so fast and you're only supposed to take like a 1/4 inch off every time you mow with that mulch kit. So I think I'll put that back on when the grass slows down growing. We're just gonna take off all of Aaron's undercarriage, AKA the mower deck. I'm gonna use my new impact gun. First, I'm going to remove these clips. You also want to put support underneath the mower deck so there's no resistance when you're trying to remove things. And I just did my nails. They're bound to break. My husband said, make sure you get a parts bin. Here it is. Then there's little clips down in here as well. I need 2 hands. The last thing that's holding the deck onto the mower is the belt. So in order to remove the belt, you gotta remove these plastic covers on either side. Use my new dual impact gun and a 10mm and this extender. And then there's one more tucked back there. You gotta use the hand one. It's coming. There's always freaking grass rat's nest down there when you take these off. Next side. And my husband will help with the belt because that part's hard.